If you struggle with decision making in your business, here's a simple way to make decision making easier without constantly second guessing yourself. Welcome to episode 8 in my series, Lessons I Wish I Knew Earlier, where I share lessons I wish I knew earlier in my career as a business owner and a leader. Most business owners and leaders spend way too much time stuck in indecision, questioning things like, should I hire this person? Should I change this pricing? Should I introduce this product? The problem is that the longer you wait, the harder it gets, and you'll probably just get stuck in analysis paralysis. But there is a way to decide faster with this simple 3-step framework. Step 1, define the risk level. Not all decisions are equal. So is this a high risk, high impact decision? So, maybe pivoting the business in a different direction, or is it a low risk, low value decision that is maybe easily reversible, like testing out a new marketing strategy? If it's low risk, decide fast. If it doesn't work, you can change quickly. If it's higher risk, make sure that you gather key info before making a decision, but also don't get stuck on making the perfect decision, or you'll be waiting forever for that certainty. Step 2, use the 70% rule. Jeff Bezos uses this rule. If you have 70% of the information, make the call. If you're waiting for 90 to 100% of the information, you're probably going to be moving too slow. Step 3, set a no second guessing rule for yourself. Once you've made a decision, commit to it and give it time to play out instead of just constantly doubting yourself. The best business owners and leaders make decisions fast, adjust when needed, and keep moving forward. What's a business decision you've been stuck on? Let me know in the comments and I'll give you my take.